How to request a refund on Airbnb. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll go ahead and show the steps on how you can request a refund on Airbnb. Well, the process is simple whether you are doing it on the app or the browser. If you're doing it on the app, you'll have to access the resolution center option. If you're on the web browser as well, you'll have to access the resolution center option. Now here, unfortunately, I was unable to find the direct option to resolution center. In case you do not find it as well, you can head over to your browser and what you want to do is you want to search in Airbnb resolution center. Once you have done so, you can see the second link, find your resolution center request. You want to click on it. Then here you can see it'll ask you click resolution center. So you want to click on this particular page here, and you can see if you are not logged in, it'll ask you to log in. Since I'm already logged in, it is asking me option to request money or send money. So you want to click on request money, and then you want to proceed. If you have any eligible reservations to request money, you'll be able to select that particular reservation. You want to select the reservation and click next. Then select a reason and choose the reason that best describes your refund situation. Then you want to upload optional attachments and enter the refund amount and add a note as well. Once you have done so, click confirm and then request. So this is how we can request a refund on Airbnb. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.